Patsy, I can't send no money come give you otherwise right now. Alright. Later. Hi, Bridget. How are you? Good to hear your voice. Alright, tell you what. I need your banking details so I can send some money for the youth. Yeah. Alright. Have a good day now. Oh, Jesus, this is one you know. Hello? Camille? Camille? You know, so this is about the third time now me I call you. And you go ask her who this? Yeah, a Trevor. Listen. You see, before you go no further, hear more you for do. Just send me your banking details so that I can send some money to you for the youth. Yeah, a bank can do it now. Listen, me ain't on a long argument with you right now. You hear me I say? Me talk to you later. Alright. Hi, Sonia. What's up? Me there, man. Rain a fall and me there go and look, you know. Yeah, the man them kind of pull up on the work right now because of the rain. Alright, here one. You see a little more when I come check you. I go want your banking details. Cause I saw me I can start sending some money to you without me having to come there every time for get that. Me understand, man. Don't worry yourself. We talk a little more. Bye bye. Mwah. Answer them phone. Alright. I left a message. Yo, warrior. I call on the phone and I not get no answer. Just link me no. Just link me, man. As soon as you get the message. Call your phone, brother, and I get your brother.
Yeah, no, but
What really going?
yeah, I don't even know how I'm going to charge it. As if I just come across and just grab them and just knock out. I'm going to wake up back, you know, I'm building as if I must start up and
What you say? What him look like?
you have a mask on him, kind of half body as if. But you take off your mask on that time, so I kind of see him face, so I know him. You see me?
So if you see him again, you will know him?
Yeah, man. The black guy shut up. You see? So we have to go get him on the beach.
Alright, here. See this? take care of your doctor. Few time.
So no far.
I give you a circle. I don't know what I'm going.
Yeah.
I will get to the end of this.
No.